this video, I will show you how to redeem code in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to redeem a code in Monopoly Go, you actually need to do this through a website. So if you're currently in Monopoly Go, go ahead and just close that down. And what you want to do is open your preferred mobile browser, come across to google.com and Google search for Monopoly Go redeem code. Now, once you've done that, you want to press onto the top result, which is going to take you to the website where you can actually redeem your codes. Before you go ahead and enter your code, make sure that you are logged in to your account. So as you can see, if I press onto the menu in the top right hand corner, you can see I'm currently logged into my account. Once you're logged in, just come down to the reward code section and enter your code into the box and then press the green go button to redeem your code. So that is how to redeem code in Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.